Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best foldable electric scooter in this video? I will show you the top 5 best foldable electric scooter to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Suniga electric scooter. Specifications: brand name, Suniga. Model number, N3 Max. Max speed, 25 km per hour. Range per charge, 20 to 40 km. Tire size, 10 inches. Category, two-wheel scooter. Applicable people, unisex. Charging time, 6 to 8 hours. Voltage, 48 volts. Folded yes. Power, 201 to 250 watts. Battery, 13 Ah. Number 4 is Joyer T10. Specifications: brand name, JYR. Model number, Joyer T10. Tire size, 10 inches. Category, two-wheel scooter. Applicable people, unisex. Range per charge, 60 to 80 kilometers. Charging time, 8 to 10 hours. Voltage, 60 volts. Folded yes. Power, 501 to 1000 watts. Origin, China. As the item number 3, we've selected eScooter i10. Specifications: brand name, eScooter. Model number, i10. Max speed, 25 km per hour. Tire size, 10 inches. Category, two-wheel scooter. Applicable people, unisex. Range per charge, 40 to 60 kilometers. Charging time, 6 to 8 hours. Folded yes. Power, 201 to 250 watts. Battery capacity, 15 Ah. IP rating, IP54. Brakes, dual brakes. Number 2 is Tofin TF3. Specifications: brand name, Tofin. Max speed, 25 km per hour. Range per charge, 20 to 40 kilometers. Tire size, 10 inches. Category, two-wheel scooter. Charging time, 6 to 8 hours. Voltage, 52 volts. Folded yes. Power, 501 to 1000 watts. Max speed, 45 km per hour. Absorbed shock, front and rear double shock absorbers. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Suniga adult electric scooter. Specifications: brand name, Suniga. Model number, N7 Pro. Max speed, 25 km per hour. Tire size, 8.5 inches. Category, two-wheel scooter. Applicable people, unisex. Range per charge, 30 kilometers. Charging time, 6 to 8 hours. Voltage, 36 volts. Folded yes. Battery, 10.4 Ah.